So let's go to the system metrics tab, and it is showing all agents average. So let's go to the system metrics tab, and it is showing all agents average. So if we select this online agent, we can see it is sending the metrics real time from this VM running on the cloud. Currently, this is the status of the VM basic system metrics data, and it is showing as a time series, and it is updating real time here. So if we go down here, it shows historical trends. If you go to the network metrics tab, it shows the network traffic info, the sending data. So it is showing. So it is sending data to our. So it is sending data to our centralized agent. So you can see it is sending some data, and we can also see its network interfaces and how much byte received sent. If follows 8,000. Let's see. Is successfully sending metrics. And if you go to this agents tab, you can see the Inspire on my computer is now online. So you can see it has this type of memory usage and like that, and you can see. So it's showing the Inspire on statistics. Let's see how we integrated AI into this application. So basically, we can go to this AI analysis tab, and we can do a AI analysis, and results will be shown here, and it is showing its findings and a recommendation with scores. So let's do an analysis for our Inspire. Let's do analysis. This is calling to our fine-tune AI model under the hood and giving all this information and getting an analysis. As you can see, analysis is completed. Its ID is 103. So 103 is showing. So as I said before, it has high CPU and memory usage, so it is showing that it's detecting anomalies. We are going to head over to the AI chat tab. So this is the AI network assistant chatbot. It is running fine-tuned model under the hood and uses line chains, so it has access to tools such as getting network data and agent status metrics, and even do analysis on behalf of us. And as you can see, there are chat history also. It preserves chat history in a SQLite database. And if I head over here to a previous chat, uh, let's see, it has the knowledge of the previous chat history. As you can see, has the knowledge of only this chat. And if we want to, we can delete also. And you can see this is a tool call. It called the get agent status tool and find out that this is the result of the tool. It found out there are 3 agents and 2 are online, and it is responding with that information. There are 3 agents in total, like that. And let's ask it to, if you remember our previous AI analysis, let's ask whether it can remember this 103 ID AI analysis and summarize that for us. As you can see, this is the results of the tool call. It called multiple tools and it got get analysis result, and it got the analysis result by ID 103. We fine tune these models to give the response as whether it is detected anomalies and if there are, to also give a recommendation. So you can see it is also giving recommendations. So it has triggered AI analysis. You can see this tool call. So it is saying anomaly detected. So you can see it is a new analysis under the analysis ID 107, and it is triggered just now. Looking at the time, we can. So it has successfully called the thread summary tool, and it has given the summary for us. So it called its network latency for domain name resolvers like Cloudflare or Google DNS. So like deviation from the baseline, it will give an alert like medium high. Using fine-tuned Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite model using supervised method, and you can see previous attempts. And if we go to one of the models, we can see the tuning progress, like how the accuracy increased and the loss was decreased. And when we successfully fine tune a model, we expose endpoint for that, and we use that endpoint ID to connect our LangChain application with the fine tune model. So if we look at the .env file, we use project name. So the model name is the fine tune model name. Chat.x AI takes that endpoint ID. This is our ML flow dashboard. And as you can see, there are previous fine-tuned info. After we successfully fine-tuned, we gathered the model info as an artifact. And for fine-tune process, we can also track our datasets and download if you want to. And if you go to the model section, those fine-tuned model information available under the model section also. If you go here, there's a fine-tune endpoint. You can use this dashboard to automatically trigger the fine tuning and even select a data set we want. And we'll use 2.5 flashlight with a few epochs and create a JSON file. We will use this JSON and let's start the fine tuning. Okay, it is started and job status is running. Let's open the ML flow. So, and let's head over to the tab and refresh. You can see it is running now. It is created just now. And if you go to the details, you can see number of epochs is 5 that we created according to the guidelines by the Google. Like So you can see in the Vertex AI dashboard that the model has now fine-tuned successfully. And if we check our ML flow dashboard, we can see in the artifacts that the new model info is generated. And if we go to the models section, and the latest model also appear here,